Here in the workshop of Wiggins Hall, the Auburn Off-Road team is busy sketching models and welding metal. The team of undergraduates handles everything from the design, construction, and racing of off-road vehicles. Allison Jenkins is the captain of the team. She says working with cars is now her dream after she graduates.
Everything I know about cars is from being on this team.
Zachary Pace is the design and manufacturing lead. Even though building a car from scratch seems like a daunting task, Pace says it's actually relaxing after a long day of engineering classes.
Sometimes it's nice to come into the shop and have something else to do, something more hands-on, let my brain relax, so to speak.
Right now, their 2019 car is just a frame. But come April, it'll be a full-fledged car, ready to compete in competitions across the country.
That first time driving the car is always a little bit scary, just wondering what's going to break, but then whenever you actually get the car on and it's running and you're like, wow, this is something we all designed, built together, it's actually working, it's pretty cool.
The team is about more than just constructing off-road vehicles. There's a real sense of community in this workshop.
To me, this has been like one of my biggest motivations. This is why I get up and come to campus, is for this team.
Ergonomics lead William Rudd says the reason he's on the team is that he loves being around people that are just as driven as he is.
We're all pushing towards this one goal, to have a car, go to race, have a good time.
The team dynamic has always been somewhat of a family, in my opinion. That was something that meant a lot to me.
Up next for the team is their first competition, where they have hopes of winning top performance awards at the Baja SAE race at Tennessee Tech.